There has been a new trend to appear for various competitive exams. Now, since exams have become a center point of getting into a career, what becomes the crucial thing at this stage is not only children but even parents are highly focused towards simply qualifying the examination. That's obvious, but in that run, parents as well as children forget the importance of an overall personality development which is required even after you qualify your exam. So this trend has given rise to what is called as dummy school culture in India. Now here students sit and prepare at their own for competitive exams starting from grade 9, grade 11, and they are not into a school environment, they are not into that discipline system, and therefore they are just solely focused over one examination. Now definitely the number of students who qualify for that exam is a very small proportion, but what about those who are not able to make through that examination? So let's say if we talk about NEET as one of the examinations, there are 25 lakh students appearing for the examinations, of which only 50,000 qualify for the examination. Now, what about the remaining lakhs of students who are left behind? Of those lakhs of students, even if we consider a small fraction, then you have a huge number which is into a dummy schooling pattern. But this trend does not stop here. Now the trend has moved even to colleges. So at the college level, there are institutions which give you idea that you enroll with the institution, get a dummy degree, and in the meantime you can prepare for your competitive examinations. Now these competitive examinations are postgraduate examinations. So after your graduation, whatever exams you want to appear for example state services, civil services as some of the examples. Now again student goes into that trend of dummy colleges, even for chartered accountancy and other entrance examinations for across most of the streams. This culture has now started. Now a child who is not going into a proper system, either in education school, in a school or in college, is ought to have a feeling of non-discipline imbibed deep. Now this would in long run, the child would have to pay a huge cost for it. The simple reason is if you are not prepared mentally to be on the workplace on a regular basis, how would you handle that situation once you have qualified the examination? Even if you have not qualified, you are working with some other job or other company or other field, how would you manage that? So just for the greed of few of the people who are trying to create this culture, we are creating a generation of dummies, and this has to be taken very seriously, because the school environment, college environment is the place where a child learns not only just the subjects, but it is far beyond the subjects. It's an overall personality growth, exposure to numerous things, and exposure a platform for holistic development of the child. So make sure that as a parent, if you are taking any decision, you are well into the pros and cons before you take a decision.